Hello everyone, I am Mansi Anand and I am feeling very pleased to share my topic consumer buying behavior regarding branded shoes through this PPT. Before coming to the PPT, I would like to pay my special thanks to our principal, Professor Dr. Mrs. Ajay Sri and our teacher, Mrs. Binu Gupta, Associate Professor of PG Department of Commerce and Management of Hans Raj Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar for their support and help, without which I could not have completed my PPT. So let's start. These are the contents which are we going to discuss: introduction, consumer buying behavior and factors affecting buying behavior, and etc. Start with introduction. As we know, different people have different mindsets, so that it's very difficult to understand their buying behavior. Nowadays, consumer wants a good, comfortable and luxury life. They transform their buying decision from local brands to the good brands. What is consumer buying behavior? Consumer buying behavior is the behavior that a consumer displays while buying the product or a service. The main factor that influences the consumer buying behavior is their surroundings. It involves what, how, and from where they buy. Then, factors affecting buying behavior. There are various factors that affect the buying behavior are personal motivation, needs, attitudes, values, psychoeconomic and cultural background, etc. Then, overview of Indian footwear industry. So the Indian leather market is a growing market and it is the second largest global producer of footwear after China. So let me introduce with some of the growing footwear brands in our market are Reebok, Nike, Bata, Adidas and many more. Now few interesting facts. Presently, the Indian footwear market is dominated by men's footwear market that accounts for nearly 58% of the total Indian footwear retail market. By products, the Indian footwear market is dominated by casual footwear market that makes up for nearly 2/3 of the total footwear retail market. Now, what is brand? It refers to a special word, symbol, letter, or the mixture of all these. When we go to the market and demand the product like Lux soap, Samsung TV, Good Day biscuit, Liberty shoes and etc. The names attached with each of the products are nothing but the brands. The objectives that a good brand will achieve include delivers the message clearly, confirms your credibility, connects your target prospectus emotionally, motivates the buyer. Now there are various branded shoes like first one is Reebok. So it is a MNC company. Its headquarter is in USA. It was established in 1958. In August 2006, Adidas acquired Reebok for about $3.8 billion. It operates more than 220 retail stores. Second one is Nike. It is an American MNC. Its headquarter is in Portland. It was established in 1968 for design, development and worldwide marketing and selling of footwear, equipment, accessories and services. The company focuses its products offering in 7 key categories. So these categories are running, basketball, football, men's training, women's training, Nike, sportswear and action sportswear. So third one is Puma. Puma is a Germany MNC company. Its headquarters is in Germany. It was established in 1948 by Rudolf. Puma is a company engaged in manufacture of sporting equipment, operating worldwide through its subsidiaries. Its footwear range includes shoes for cross training, motor sports, running, tennis and other activities. Then is Adidas. It is a Germany MNC. Its headquarters is in Germany. It is the largest sportswear manufacturer in Europe and the second largest in the world after Nike. Today, the Adidas Group is a global leader in the sporting goods industry and offers a broad portfolio of products. Its mission is to improve the quality, look, feel and image of our products and our organizational structure to match and exceed consumer expectations and to provide them with the highest value. Next, Bata. It is a private company. Its headquarters is in Switzerland. It was founded in 24th August 1894. So Bata India is the largest retailer and leading manufacturer of footwear in India and is a part of the Bata Shoe organization. Its mission is to be successfully as the most dynamic, flexible and market responsive organization with footwear as its core business. The last one is Liberty. It was founded in 1954 by Dharampal Gupta, Purushottam Das Gupta and Rajkumar Bansal. It is a private limited company. Its headquarters is in Karnal, Haryana. The company presently produces 50,000 pairs of footwear a day through its 6 manufacturing units, sold through 6,000 multi-brand outlets and 400 exclusive showrooms, and has a presence in 25 countries with 50 showrooms outside India. And now we are going to discuss data analysis and interpretation. The analysis of data has been done with appropriate tools like percentage methods have been used for the analysis. First one is age. Now I am going to explain you how different age group of people have their different opinion about the brand. So out of 100 respondents, 47% persons belong to age group between 20 to 35 and 53% of persons belong to age group of 36 to 50, and teenagers like to wear sports shoes and younger people prefer to wear formal as well as sports shoes. Education level of respondents: undergraduate 15% people like to wear branded shoes, graduate 32%, postgraduate 33%, any other 20%. Income level: so 24% people belong to income category of rupees below 2 lakh and 33% between rupees 2 lakh to 5 lakh, 29% between income category of 5 to 10 lakh, and another 14% come under income group of 10 and above. Low income group prefer to wear unbranded shoes. Type of shoes like to wear: 28% people like to wear formal shoes, 32% people likes to wear sports shoes, 26% people like to wear casual shoes, and 14% people like to wear any other shoes. And present consumer of branded shoes: 68% people like to wear branded shoes and 20% people like to wear unbranded shoes. Brand like the most: the persons like the brand, consumer like only that brand which provide him or her more satisfaction compared to other brands available in the market. Nike 38%, Action 8%, Adidas 22%, and others 32%. Last come out to suggestions. There is a need to decrease the price of branded shoes to be able to compete with other brands and non-branded shoes as well. They should improve services like guarantee period. They must pay attention on improving the quality of the product and more variety. Conclusion: we can conclude that the bottom of the market research speaks that branded shoes in India has increasing on day by day basis. That sounds good for international as well as domestic market. Thank you so much for watching my video.